Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the illuminated star in the grille, brushed aluminum running boards, 19-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown ginger beige MB-Tex interior, sunroof, coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Let's start it up. Got navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 44,858 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.